Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. Today we are going to make this thumbnail focusing on a few key elements that make a good design. Let's get started. We're going to look up YouTube thumbnail and click on that. I don't see the one right off that I want, so I'm going to click create a blank YouTube thumbnail. And then I'm going to type in hiking and see if one pops up. This one is called Woman Photo Hiking Travel YouTube Thumbnail. And I think this one has a lot of potential, but I am going to tweak a lot of stuff. I just wanted to give you the idea of the thumbnail that we're going for and how I'm going to make it better. The first thing is I want to change the font, and I want to use Nourd bold. If there's a bold option, then use it. The second thing I'm going to do is duplicate this because I want this to be in two different text boxes. It's going to make it easier to work with the thumbnail. And you will see that this is just a rectangle, which is fine, but I'm going to get rid of them. I'm going to press uppercase here and uppercase here, and I'm going to get rid of the image in the background. We'll type in hiking. Ideally, you would put in your own photo. I'm going to use this free image here and replace the background, and I would like to find an image of a woman hiking. Hiking woman. I kind of want her to be facing front. This one's good. Hiking woman. Put her on the side here. Make her a little bit bigger. Edit image, background remover. Apply. I kind of want to play around with the filters, so I'm just going to click Epic and see if that makes it a little better. It does, and I'm going to put the same filter on the background. And then I'm going to give her a shadow. Let's try this drop shadow. Top right, top left. There we go. Transparent with a little bit of a blur. Apply. I might want to blur the image a little bit. And now I'm going to add a text effect. Edit, text effect. Let's take it down to 17 or so, and then take off the roundness and add it white. And we're going to do the same thing here. 17, 0, and for this one, white. I don't like the way that looks, so what I'm going to do is change it. Maybe pick a color. Oh, I'm in the wrong, you see I'm in the wrong browser, so let me change my browser. Okay, back to effects. Document color. Maybe I will pick out an orange here. And let's see what it looks like if the text is in white. Hiking essentials. I can even make it a little bit bigger. And that's not bad. Let's see, can I add a square, a border to it? Let's check this out. I don't know if it needs a border or not, but sometimes I like to add one and see what happens. Let's grab this orange color and send it to the back. Let's send her forward and see. I do want to shrink it just a little bit and maybe bring it up. I could even add a rectangle. Let's give it a little white with some transparency just to brighten up the background, and send it to the back. And maybe instead of the orange, I'll go with black. I like that a lot. This would go great for a thumbnail where maybe 10 essentials that they can't live without when they go hiking and how to use them. But let's look at these fonts. We've got Nourd bold, and that's on both of them. That's what it looks like bold. That's what it looks like not bold. It looks much better with the bold there. You could even underline it if you wanted. Hiking essentials. When you have something like this, you can't add a second effect. But if you did want to add a second effect, this is what I would do. I would change my background to white and then add my effect on the top one. Text color, I need to pick that orange again, and then shadow, everything. I think I had it normal, but I think I would want it to be in black. There we go. It kind of goes against my multiple colors philosophy, but it kind of works too. Let's see what it looks like small. I like that a lot. Okay, you've got your thumbnail. What do you do next? You would download it. PNG, you just need, if it's in one page like this, that would be great. Download just like that, and then you would upload it and put it as your thumbnail. You will see that today is January 19th, and I've got things scheduled through February 4th already. Upload video. Temporary export. This one's not done yet, but it is one, and it will help me show you what to do. I'm going next, save. Here it is. Here it is. It's working, it's uploading, it's doing its business, but I'm going to click upload thumbnail. We'll go to downloads. I would click that and it would just go there. Click save. That's how you upload your custom thumbnail. Is there anything else I could do to it? Well, I could, but I really think less is more. And I did a whole lot. Now, what would the same thumbnail look like if I did not have this? Okay, let's look at the two. Can you see how this one is easier to read than this one? Because there are some boxes in the back there. It makes it stand out. Well, if you have any questions that I can answer about YouTube thumbnails, don't hesitate to ask. It might inspire a new tutorial. If you like this tutorial, I recommend checking out one of these Canva lessons that are on your screen. All right, well, I'll see you next time. Bye.